Some people spend a lifetime searching. Some people cross oceans of loneliness. Some people write love letters to the stars, hoping one day destiny will answer. I never knew that answer would be you. Before you came, my days were quiet pages, turning without purpose, carried by the wind of ordinary moments. The sun still rose, the moon still glowed, the world still moved, but something was missing. My heart was a house with empty rooms, echoing with dreams not yet fulfilled, waiting for footsteps that sounded like home. Then you arrived, not with thunder, not with grand announcements, but like a gentle violin melody floating through the silence. And suddenly, everything made sense. Hey! You were the answer to questions I never knew how to ask. You were the calm that followed years of storms, the missing line in a beautiful poem, the final note in an unfinished song. When I look at you, I see every prayer that heaven quietly listened to. I see every disappointment that was preparing me for something greater, preparing me for you. You were made for me, like the moon was made for the night. You were made for me, like the stars were made to shine. You were made for me, like rivers were made to find the sea. And somehow, across all time, across all distance, across all possibilities, you found me. If love is a language, then your eyes speak it fluently. If love is a journey, then your hand is the map. If love is music, then your soul is the violin, playing softly against my heart. Every laugh, every smile, every little thing you do feels like a reminder that some things are written long before they happen. Some people are meant to meet, some hearts are meant to belong together. Saying everything that language cannot. Perhaps heaven knew that my soul would need yours. Perhaps destiny knew that one day our paths would cross. Perhaps every wrong turn, every delay, every goodbye was quietly leading me to the moment I would finally say hello to you. Because now that you're here, nothing feels accidental. Not your smile, not your voice, not your touch, not your love. You were made for me, like dawn was made for the morning chance, you became mine. When the years become memories and our hair turns silver and our footsteps become slower, I will still look at you the same way I do today, with wonder, with gratitude, with a heart that still cannot believe that among billions of people, the universe placed you beside me. Hey! You were made for me, not by coincidence, not by luck, not by chance. You were made for me, written gently into my story before the first chapter began. Made for me, the answer, the blessing, the miracle I never expected. You were made for me, and I was made for you. If I had one wish, it would be to live this life again, just so I could find you and fall in love with you one more time. Because in every lifetime, in every universe, in every version of forever, you would still be made for me. Some people spend their lifetime searching. Some people cross oceans of loneliness. Some people write love letters to the stars, hoping one day destiny will answer. I never knew that answer would be you. Before you came, my days were quiet pages, turning without purpose, carried by the wind of ordinary moments. The sun still rose, the moon still glowed, the world still moved, but something was missing. My heart was a house with empty rooms,